We'll guide you through how to lock value in VLOOKUP in Excel and laptop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Excel users struggle to understand how the VLOOKUP formula works when managing data. First, tap Excel on your computer or device to open the application. After the program loads completely, press Ctrl and O on your keyboard to open your previous project. Once the file browser appears, press on the file name bar so you can search for your saved project easily. Type your project name into the bar carefully to make sure you find the correct file. After the results appear, select the project you want to work on by clicking it once. Then press Open to open the project and wait for the spreadsheet to load completely. Make sure your project already contains the list like in the video before continuing with the next steps. After checking the data, go to the cell that you want to use for the VLOOKUP formula. Click on the cell to activate it and prepare it for typing. Next, type the VLOOKUP formula into the selected cell carefully. After typing the formula, choose which list you want to use as the reference table for the lookup process. Then add a comma after the selected value to continue building the formula correctly. Next, block all the completed tab or table that contains the information you want Excel to search through. After selecting the table, add another comma to continue the formula. Then type 2, add another comma, and set the final part to false so Excel looks for an exact match. Once the formula is complete, press Enter on your keyboard to apply it. The results should now appear automatically in the selected cell. If you want to fill another cell with the same formula, you can simply click and drag the small corner of the selected cell downward or across the spreadsheet. This will copy the formula automatically into the other cells and save you time when working with larger amounts of data in Excel. Before finishing your work, double-check the formula results to ensure every value matches information in your table. If an error appears, review the table range, commas, and formula settings until the spreadsheet displays the expected results without mistakes successfully.